Hibiscus tea, which is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower or even from the fresh leaves, has an abundance of nutritional benefits. Perhaps it will surprise you to learn that, when an international team of researchers examined over hundreds of beverages from around the world, ranging from Red Bull to Crowberry liqueur, the antioxidant content of hibiscus tea outperformed even matcha, a drink prepared from powdered green tea. Hey, everyone, welcome to Daily Positive Dose. In today's video, we are going to go over the 14 amazing health benefits of hibiscus tea. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 14. Helps improve skin conditions. Throughout the day, drink hibiscus tea to combat the signs of aging and all of its associated diseases. Several skin disorders such as acne, eczema, and skin allergies can be treated with its unusually high levels of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial bodies, which remove all free radicals and infections from the bloodstream to help treat them. At the same time, the high vitamin A and C content aids in the treatment of scars, blemishes, sunburns, and other skin conditions, as well as the smoothing out of all fine lines and the slowing of the aging process to a significant degree. The skin would become moistured, supple, and radiant in no time, resulting in a smooth and beautiful glow. Number 13. Improves digestion. Because of its diuretic and antispasmodic properties, hibiscus tea has a very favorable effect on people who are suffering from digestive problems or disorders. It not only helps to enhance digestion and the overall health of the gastrointestinal tract, but it also has the added benefit of helping to prevent colorectal cancer. Because of its diuretic effects, you can say goodbye to constipation and enjoy increased urination as well as a normalization of your bowel motions. It also helps a great deal in the prevention and treatment of bowel and bladder infections. Number 12. Benefits weight loss. The fact that dried hibiscus powder or its extract is one of the primary ingredients in many modern weight loss pills will astound you. Drink 2 to 3 glasses of hibiscus tea per day, starting immediately, and watch the pounds melt away. According to research, hibiscus tea contains an enzyme inhibitor that has the potential to decrease the formation of the amylase enzyme. In addition to converting starch and carbs into sugar, this enzyme is also important for facilitating the absorption of sugar into the body. As a result, drinking hibiscus tea reduces the synthesis of the amylase enzyme, which in turn reduces the absorption of carbohydrates into the body. Of course, the apparent outcome is that you will be able to return to wearing your old, tight garments. Number 11. Helps relieve symptoms of anxiety and depression. Currently, it is impossible to avoid stress, anxiety, and depression attacks due to the quick pace of modern life and the fierce competition that exists. Making hibiscus tea instead of your usual caffeine intake can be a great way to battle the winter blues, according to research. In addition to having a relaxing effect on the neurological system, hibiscus tea can help you reduce stress by putting you in a more optimistic frame of mind. Published in 2012 was a study that discovered that hibiscus tea was rich in flavonoids, anthocyanins, anthocyanidins, and vitamins, which were thought to be responsible for its possible antidepressant action. During the same year, another study was undertaken and it was discovered that hibiscus species were effective in reducing depression in mice. Hibiscus has been used for millennia to treat mental concerns and other related conditions in Ayurveda and many other ancient remedies. Number 10. Anti-cancer properties. The chemo-preventive and tumor-fighting qualities of hibiscus tea are linked to protocatecholic acid, which is a component of the tea. A study undertaken by the Department of Biochemistry and the Institute of Biochemistry at the Chung-Shan Medical and Dental College in Taichung, Taiwan, discovered that the acid component of hibiscus tea triggers apoptosis in malignant cells. Essentially, what is happening is that malignant cells are slowing down their proliferation and eventually dying because of being programmed to do so. As a result, the spread of malignant and tumor cells is halted, and the cells eventually die as a result. Number 9. Satiates thirst. The benefits of hibiscus tea are double. It hydrates the body while also acting as a diuretic, allowing excess water and toxins to be flushed out of the body as needed. It also has a cooling effect on the body, which helps to satisfy thirst while also making you feel more full. Many athletes can be spotted sipping iced hibiscus tea while on the field to keep their thirst at bay while competing. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Hibiscus tea has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities, according to research. It has been shown that drinking hibiscus tea reduces the healing period of wounds by 50% compared to drinking water. Animal studies have demonstrated that it can effectively eradicate worms and other microorganisms from the body. More conclusive reports on it, on the other hand, are yet awaited. If you are experiencing a fever, you can rely on its cooling impact to bring the temperature down. Number 7. Reduce menstrual pain. Many women suffer from menstrual cramps, bloating, and agony throughout their periods. We frequently reach for a cup of hot tea to relieve stress. The relaxing effect would be enhanced if it were replaced with hibiscus tea. The tea is well known for its ability to restore hormonal balance and alleviate symptoms of uneasiness. It also aids in the reduction of mood swings, depression, as well as the tendency to overeat, which might express itself occasionally during menstruation. Number 6. Liver protection. It is impossible to exaggerate the importance of the liver in our bodies. Hibiscus tea has been shown to have powerful antioxidant capabilities, making it an effective tool in the fight against a variety of liver illnesses, according to research. They act as scavengers, effectively neutralizing the free radicals present in the body's cells and tissues, so preventing the development of illnesses. In 2000, the findings of a study published in the journal Food and Chemical Toxicology demonstrated that hibiscus tea's anthocyanin content is crucial in lowering inflammatory liver lesions as well as oxidative liver damage in rats suffering from toxic liver disease. Number 5. Prevent diabetes. The hyperlipidemic and hypoglycemic qualities of hibiscus tea have been shown to be particularly successful in lowering cholesterol and glucose levels, as well as in managing blood glucose levels. Researchers conducted a study in which they established scientifically that the consumption of hibiscus tea considerably raises the levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, in 53 type 2 diabetics who took part in the study. This medication also has a negative effect on the absorption of sugars and starch into the bloodstream by decreasing the development of the amylase enzyme. Improved blood glucose levels and, ultimately, a reduction in blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetic patients are the result of these efforts. Number 4. Help fight common cold. Hibiscus tea is bursting at the seams with ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C. It has been proven beyond any reasonable question that vitamin C can help to strengthen the body's immune system and make it more capable of fighting infections and viruses that cause the common cold, the flu, and other infectious diseases. Your body will be further fortified against contracting a cold or the flu thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial characteristics. Drinking it as soon as you notice the onset of a cold is approaching will help you recover more quickly. Number 3. Reduces the risk of heart attack. When bad cholesterol levels are lowered, the chance of having a heart attack or developing other cardiovascular issues is reduced. Anthocyanin, a powerful antioxidant found in the hibiscus tea, is responsible for a significant portion of the fruit's ability to prevent atherosclerosis, which is the narrowing of arteries. Coronary artery disease, CAD, is a condition in which the blood vessels get narrowed. Reduced blood pressure and healthy arteries assist to keep heart attacks at bay, which is another benefit of taking this supplement. It should be ingested in small amounts throughout the day for a minimum of 6 weeks in order to maximize its efficiency. Number 2. Helps lower cholesterol. The current way of life and eating has unavoidably resulted in a significant proportion of the world's population suffering from cholesterol-related issues. One of the most serious issues to be concerned about is a high level of harmful LDL cholesterol. Hibiscus tea, known for its powerful antioxidant capabilities, is said to help lower bad cholesterol and even prevent it from rising in the first place. Because of its high bioflavonoid concentration, it prevents plaque from forming on the walls of the arteries, lowering the levels of triglycerides and low-density lipoprotein cholesterol in the bloodstream as a result. It has a direct effect on lowering the risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular disorders, as well as other ailments. Number 1. Reduces high blood pressure. Studies and research have demonstrated that taking just 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea each day can have a beneficial effect on people who suffer from high blood pressure. It can even keep it at bay in persons who are otherwise healthy. According to certain clinical research, it may be even more effective than drugs. It is particularly well known for producing outstanding results in those who are suffering from type 2 diabetes. The anti-inflammatory and anti-diuretic characteristics of hibiscus tea contribute to the manifestation of this effect. It has been shown that drinking approximately 3 cups of hibiscus tea each day for a few weeks will drop blood pressure by approximately 10 points, according to research conducted by the Tufts University of Boston. Do you know about any other benefits of hibiscus tea? If so, then please let us know in the comment section down below. With that being said, here we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked this video. If so then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you never miss any video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.